Another algorithm that's really popular is AdaBoost. Now, there are two sections of algorithms. One is known as the bagging algorithm, and another one is known as the boosting algorithm. Let us try to understand the difference between them first. So bagging algorithm bagging algorithm essentially creates independent trees. And boosting algorithms typically create dependent trees. So create so dependent trees means what? So here, if you visualize it, you take the data, you take the data, you take the samples, and then you create decision tree number 1, decision tree number 2, decision tree number 3, decision tree number 4. They all are independent of each other. They generate predictions independently. Prediction 2, prediction 3, prediction 4. These predictions are all independent. Decision tree 1 does not know what decision tree 2 is doing. Decision tree 2 does not know what is decision tree 3 is doing. Okay.
Oh,
But in
okay.
boosting, what happens? I create a decision tree. I take the data. I create a decision tree number 1. Decision tree number 1 makes some mistakes. Obviously, there will be errors, right? It will not be 100% accurate. So what I do, I improve the errors in decision tree number 2. Then I further improve the errors in decision tree number 3. Further improve in decision tree 4. So on and so forth. So I keep on improving the errors that I made in the previous decision tree. So these decision trees know what is happening in the previous decision tree, and they make corrective steps or improve those mistakes. That's why it's known as boosting the performance of the previous tree. Bagging means just take independent trees, bag them within one model or within one bag, and generate a final prediction. Here, the final prediction is generated by the summation of all of these, but they are improving each other one after the other. They are moving in a direction where they look at the mistakes made by the previous tree and then improve the performance or target those mistakes. Now the question is like, how do we do this? So example for this random forest, here you have AdaBoost, XGBoost.